I am here to present the assembly activity along with my friends of 5th-C on the occasion of World Blood Donor Day. Okay, let's start this with a prayer song by Preksha.
ಶರಣು ಶರಣು ಹೇ ಗಣಪನೆ ಶರಣು ಬೆನಕನೆ ಶರಣು ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ತನಯನೆ ನಿನಗೆ ವಂದನೆ ಶರಣು ಶರಣು ಹೇ ಗಣಪನೆ ಶರಣು ಬೆನಕನೆ ಸಿದ್ಧಿ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಗಣಪನಂಬಾದರನೆ.
Thank you, Preksha. Now we will have thought for the day from Krutika.
Today's thought for the day. If you donate money, you give food. But if you donate blood, you give life. Thank you.
What a meaningful thought it is. Thank you, Krutika. Now I will call Keshav to say, did you know fact?
Did you know facts about blood donation? Just one donation can save up to 3 lives. The average red blood cell is transfusion 3 pins.
Thank you, Keshav. Now I request Jivitesh to give few information about World Blood Donor Day.
World Blood Donors Day celebrated on 14 June to spread awareness about blood donation to save people's life. This celebration is officially celebrated first time in the year 2004 by World Health Organization. This celebration commemorates the birth anniversary of Karl Landsteiner. He is the great scientist and the Nobel Prize winner. Blood is the main source in our body. It saves million people's lives.
Thank you, Jivitesh, for your speech. I welcome Bhuvan Naga Chaudhary to ask few GK questions.
Today I am going to read GK questions on World Blood Donor Day. First question: which country is hosting WBDD in 2018? I repeat my question: which country is hosting WBDD in 2018? The correct answer is Greece. Second question: the World Blood Donor Day was firstly initiated in which year? I repeat my question: the World Blood Donor Day was firstly initiated in which year? The correct answer is 2004. Third question: which organization is responsible for initiating WBDD? I repeat my question: which organization is responsible for initiating WBDD? The correct answer is WHO.
Thank you, Bhuvan. Last but not the least, now I would like to call Aditya to give highlights of the news today.
News headlines: 19 districts in Karnataka partially reopened today. 11 others to wait. Weekend curfew to continue. KSRTC operations to remain shut. Bars and restaurants to open for takeaways. Karnataka logs 7,810 COVID-19 infections and 125 deaths on Sunday. Karnataka active COVID cases fall below 2 lakh.
Thank you, Aditya.